I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come
time.
on now, you all don't feel like that.
Bam! Hey kids, welcome back. This is just a quickie. Haha, everybody's favorite, right? If you do a lot of custom builds, a lot of times you're changing standoffs or you're changing whatever. You know, you're changing things to make heights different, whatever, or the colors you have don't match. Well, if you've got this, I'm doing a special gallery build that's coming up. It's very, very cool. And this will not match the frame. This is not at all. So I'm going to show you, and this is all over YouTube. This isn't anything fancy, okay? But this is how to strip off anodization off of aluminum, okay? So we're going to take our aluminum bits and bulbs, and we're going to put them in here. Go to the grocery store, get some oven cleaner. Just some good old-fashioned easy off. I don't know, probably supposed to shake it. Fuck it, I'll shake it. And basically, fill up the can. Or cup. I wanted to do this in a mug, and the old lady yelled at me. She's like, you do that in a mug? See it bubbling? Ooh, baby. I like it when it bubbles. I'm just really, let me see here. I think that's good. I don't know. We'll just keep going. Nothing like a little bit of spray. It's like $2, you know? It's like, fuck it. Now, what you're going to do is you're basically just going to let this sit for about 15 minutes. Let her foam. Let it do its thing. You shouldn't even have to scrub them. So, bam. Be back in 15. Bam, and we're back. Okay, so give it a little bit of a swirl. Yeah, all right, let's see if the magic happened. I'm not going to use gloves. I actually had a guy give me shit one time. What was I doing? And I didn't use gloves. Oh, conformal coat. Like, really? What kind of a Nancy are you? It's fucking conformal coat. It's like nail polish. Okay, anyhow. So, we're going to dig them out. It's easy off. Look at it. Look, that used to be blue. And we just, it looks like it could go a little bit longer. But yeah, look at that shit. Come off, kitties. Let's see what the other ones look like. Needs to go a little bit longer. But yeah, it's working. Working really well. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to, you might need to scrub them a little bit. But actually, I think I'm just going to give it a whole nother shot of easy off. Sweet. Look at that. Bam, coming out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these out. This is slimy shit, though. You might want to use gloves. Just ate my shit there. But yeah, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wire wheel them. This is for a gallery build I have coming up tomorrow. I'm going to wire wheel them with the Dremel tool, get that brushed aluminum look. So bam, that's it. It does work. It smells kind of good. Oh, this isn't the fume-free. Look out. So that is how you get anodized off of, you can see the schmutz in the bottom. Kind of. How you get anodized off of aluminum. And you'll see the finished product on the bird, but those were gold and blue. And we're going to redo it again just to get it really good. I want that shit eaten off. So, hope that helps you guys out. Basic easy off. Don't get the fume free. That's for daisies and bardwells, okay? Bam! Keep shiny side up, kids. Bye.
Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ! Hey, JJ! Hope you like fishing.